Upper Niagara River, we're standing at the break wall. Giant waves crashing in right here. Unbelievable weather. It's not even that cold, just windy. Surprisingly how much this break wall can take. There's been some big storms coming through here. Sun's just peeking out a little bit. Big wave's gonna crash right now. Upper Niagara River. 2013, first big storm. 60-mile-an-hour winds gusting. There was guys gonna try windsurfing, they didn't. Not worth it today, it's just too rough and too cold. Pretty wild. Upper Niagara River, Lake Erie. It's nice when it's nice, but when it's nasty, look out. Definitely not somewhere you want to be if you don't know what you're doing. You got to be able to step back. Monster waves. Life-proof case. You got to get one if you want to do this kind of stuff. Good luck, fishingniagara.com. Check it out. Wherever there's weather, wherever there's fish, you'll find it on Facebook and Twitter. Good luck. Stay safe. And go fishing.